cook up saltfish recipe full videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some cook up saltfish and cooked food, right? So we have some plant right there, cocoa, sweet potato. We have some flour and caramel, so water go and boil. So we add some salt to the flour and caramel, guys. So you know, we have half pound of saltfish, so a natural, simple, home style cook up saltfish. We have a sweet pepper right there. A sweet pepper right there, have onion, scallion, thyme, like garlic, and see if you need up and the dough need up and ready there, guys. Never showed me I needed some put the saltfish in the cold water, just like I see my father cook it. But I look about a country. So I cut up my spice them and thing. Yes guys, so you see dough they need up again until you peel the food them and thing. While I cook the plant and the skin, I don't want to mash up through them small. I don't want to mash up, guys. Yeah, so I'm showing the recipe step by step. Remember to watch the video to the end, like and share and subscribe. Guys, watch the curry in the pot and wash the pot, but you never want to bleach. Yeah. So you don't know, make the water boil up first. So eventually now, you put the food in the boiling water, guys. End of the day, your food done red and look nowhere. So we start adding the food to the pot and thing now, like you go and cook. So put the plantain last so the saltfish cook. So I'm going to put in some water, keep the scale, remove the bone, and have some ketchup to taste and flavor. You can use tomato, guys, if you don't want tomato. You can some ketchup to use for me, alright. So guys, the food I cook and things, you can see presentation and things. So the plantain, this is pork or the dashing. You can see sweet potato and the dumpling, guys. And I stir in the pot. I don't want to itch up, I don't know. Dumpling up it's in a pot and thing, guys. So I like and things I'm adding green seasoning and vegetable to pot and thing, guys. So you know, so I just simple, natural, cook saltfish. You can put what you want in the recipe, but me, just some natural, home style, simple cook up saltfish. So I add the saltfish and things to my pot and thing, guys. And I stir it up and things. Yeah, so this recipe is eatable, tasteable. You can see presentation. And the green seasoning and thing and my saltfish and thing. Guys, now we want enough oil. Oil is really good. So we use a less bit of oil, guys, right? Yeah. So I'm going to add some ketchup to taste and flavor. You can use tomato, but the ketchup no in my recipe today. As remember say, ketchup, tomato make ketchup CMS, so I said the recipe, right? Yes, I'm going to stir up my saltfish. And the ketchup and thing combine together. Give it a red flavor, but it's nice, it tastes nice. Guys, you know, so this recipe, guys, I'm hungry, mouth they are run water, guys. Cups of fish are eatable, tasteable, delicious. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Another update on the recipe there. You can see the plant them all are same and firm, then don't mash out, come don't cut them, right? So guys, update on cups of fish ready and thing there now. You see the recipe there, dumpling them cook on the sweet potato and the plantain cook and the cocoa, guys. So you know some recipe ready and things. So see cocoa well soft and thing there, guys. You can test them, show you see them soft and things. So please remind you cook and make your dashing cook first and your dumpling and your plantain cook, right? Yes guys, so see recipe ready and thing there now. See presentation of the recipe there, cocoa, see sweet potato, see plantain, see dumpling, the cook up saltfish, presentation and eat pepper on the side there, so yes guys, pepper eatable, tasteable, hot, delicious, finger licking, guys. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, right now, I go on myself the food nice and thing, guys. I mean, I say, yeah, man, you can see recipe in the plate, presentation, eatable, tasteable. Right on, guys, I'm hungry now, so please like and share, guys.